Most of us view ginger as just a common spice in our kitchen, but few realize it's a precious medicine for relieving joint pain and effectively boosting your immune system. Today, I'll share 2 simple ways to use ginger that I apply daily to take care of my family's health. Let's get started right now to protect your health in the most natural way. First, I prepare fresh ginger, wash it, and dry it thoroughly. By the way, which country are you watching from? Please let me know in the comments. I truly want to know and connect with all of you. I usually use a spoon to gently scrape the outer skin instead of peeling deeply with a knife. This allows me to retain the maximum amount of precious essence just beneath the skin. Once scraped, I chop the ginger immediately. Please note that I absolutely do not rinse it again to avoid washing away the precious essential oils just exposed. Ginger not only warms the body, but also effectively reduces inflammation and promotes blood circulation. Next, I place the chopped ginger into a glass jar that has been thoroughly sterilized and is completely dry. Ensuring the tools are sterile is a crucial step to keep my blend pure and preserved for as long as possible. Next is garlic. In natural medicine, garlic is known as a very potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. I peel off the dry outer skin. The active compounds in garlic effectively support reducing swelling and provide antibacterial benefits for painful joint areas. I mince the garlic. Mincing helps release the best nutrients before we begin the extraction process. Did you know that when garlic is minced or crushed, allicin is released? It's a natural antibiotic that's incredibly effective at reducing swelling. Once minced, I add all of this garlic into the glass jar along with the ginger. The third ingredient I use is red onion. This vegetable is not just a spice, but also a valuable medicinal herb for joints. I proceed to chop the onion finely. You should slice it evenly so the active compounds can be maximally extracted during the infusion. Red onions contain quercetin, a highly effective natural joint pain relief compound that I strongly trust. I add the onion to the jar. At this point, we have a jar full of nutrients and vibrant colors, ready for the next step. Now, I'm going to pour olive oil into the jar until it completely covers all the ingredients inside. Olive oil doesn't just preserve the mix, it's also a wonderful solvent that helps us extract the very best nutrients for our joints. To simmer in a water bath, I place a cloth at the bottom of the pot before setting the jar in. This prevents the glass from direct contact with high heat, keeping it from cracking. Then I pour water into the pot. Remember to add just enough water to gently warm the jar. I'll keep the heat at the lowest setting and simmer for 10 minutes. Maintaining this low temperature helps the essences from the ginger, garlic, and onion blend perfectly into the oil. After simmering, I use a small towel to carefully lift the jar out. Make sure to do this slowly and cautiously, as the jar is very hot right now. I'll leave the jar here to cool down. Letting it cool naturally gives the essences more time to stabilize and blend even deeper. Once the oil has cooled, I prepare to strain out the solids. I'm using a fine strainer to ensure I get the purest oil possible. I slowly pour the mixture through the strainer. Look at this, the oil is now infused with all the essences and has a very distinct herbal aroma. Now, I'm going to transfer this essential oil into a small glass jar for easy storage and daily use. I pour it slowly to avoid spilling. As you can see, the oil looks so pure and golden after being strained. I seal the lid tightly and store it in a cool place. This helps my oil maintain its best quality for a long time. I use this mixture to apply directly to inflamed or painful joints. This helps reduce swelling and soothe the pain very effectively. Ginger helps improve blood circulation and significantly reduces joint stiffness every morning. Meanwhile, olive oil acts as an excellent carrier to deliver nutrients deep inside. Besides the joints, I also often rub this mixture on the soles of my feet before bed. You'll feel your body gradually warming up, which is very soothing. This method doesn't just help me sleep better and deeper, it also supports the body's natural detoxification process overnight. Especially for the knee joints, take a little time to massage them gently every day. The herbal oil will penetrate deeply, making your joints much more flexible and less stiff. Besides this massage method, I have another way to use ginger, much simpler but incredibly effective. To start, I'll take about 50 grams of fresh ginger. I'm grating the ginger into small pieces. Grating it like this helps release the essences and the spicy aroma more easily when preparing the drink. For the lemons, I soak them with a bit of baking soda. This helps completely remove dirt and impurities from the peel, so we can use them with peace of mind. Then, I wash them thoroughly with water. The lemons are now perfectly clean and ready to be sliced. I slice the lemons into thin rounds. Lemons don't just provide plenty of vitamin C. The essential oil from the peel is also excellent for fighting off colds. I'll add the lemon slices to the bowl with the grated ginger. This combination isn't just beautiful, it's a treasure trove of nutrients for your body. Now, I'm pouring hot water into the bowl. Please note that we use hot water, but never boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius. I let this mixture steep for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is just enough time for the hot water to extract the active compounds from the ginger and lemon, creating a potent drink. Once the water has cooled down to a warm temperature, I add honey to taste. You can add as much or as little as you like. Adding honey while the water is warm helps preserve its natural beneficial properties and enzymes. If added to water that's too hot, honey loses these precious nutrients. Now, I use a strainer to remove the ginger and lemon solids, keeping only the clear liquid. If you prefer a bolder taste, you can keep the solids, but I like to strain it to make it easier to drink and more refreshing. Here is the ginger lemon water I just made. Very easy to drink and great for health. Ginger boosts circulation and immunity, while lemon provides vitamin C to strengthen your body. If you find this helpful, give it a try at home. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple yet effective tips.